This is the speaking test of the International English Language Training System taking place on Thursday, 31st August 2023 at Deep Pixel Academy. The candidate is Mariam Mujahat. The candidate number is 05101678. The examiner is Mustafa Khan and the examiner number is 286777698. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
What is your full name, please?
My name is Mariam Wajahat, and you can call me Mariam.
Now, in the first paper, I would like to ask you some questions about yourself.
Okay.
What is your daily routine?
I wake up, then I get fresh, I do breakfast, then I do my work, I study, have dinner, and go to sleep.
What do you like to eat for dinner?
I like a lot of things. I like vegetables mostly and not meat.
What is your favorite food?
I like curry and rice.
Do you drink a lot of water every day?
Little water, not too much.
If people visit your home, what drink do you offer them?
When people come at my home, we ask them what they want to drink. It is mostly tea.
This is the end of part 1. Now I will give you a topic and I'd like you to talk about it for 1 to 2 minutes. Before you talk, I will give you 1 minute to think about it. You can make some notes if you wish. Here's a pen and a piece of paper. Do not touch the question paper. At the end of the 2 minutes, I will inform you to stop talking. Your 1 minute starts now. Your 1 minute ends. What are the most visited places in your country?
There are a lot of places in my country that people like to visit. I will talk about Lahore first. There is Badshahi Mosque. It has red bricks and uh, um, a museum too inside it. People really like it because of its architecture. There is also Minare Pakistan that tells about the history of Pakistan. It is very important in Pakistan's history. Then in Islamabad, we have Faisal Mosque. It is a very beautiful white mosque, and people really like to go and pray there and visit it. And it has very good greenery around it, which lightens your mood. We also have northern areas in Pakistan, like Naran, Kawan, and they are very beautiful with big mountains and rivers, and there is a good weather all year long, and people really like to visit those places too. Pakistan has a lot of good and nice place to visit.
Good. Now let's start with part 3. What kind of monuments the tourists in your country like to visit?
There is an Islamabad monument in Islamabad, and also Minar-e-Pakistan, as I told you before. It has a good history, and when you go there, you feel the love for your country, and people can learn about your country's history.
What do you think are the statues of famous people in public places?
Well, I think that they are there to make you remember them. So when you go there and you see the statues, you remember those people and not forget the work that they have done for your country, and um, so that you do not forget them.
Do you think that all the monuments and buildings should always be preserved?
Yes, I think because they they are a very important part of your country, and they tell a lot about your country, and they you go and you look at them and you can learn a lot of things about the country and the people and the places, and that is what makes people want to visit those places.
Thank you very much. This is the end of your speaking test. Have a nice day.
Thank you.